And naghintay ko na lang mag-open yung counter for my flight para may mag-check ng documents ko kasi actually I've already checked in online. And ayun, so far hindi pa siya open kasi mamaya pa. Kasi 6 pa yung flight ko. At ang aga ako sa airport. Mabuti ng maga. Anyway, ayun lang. See you later. Anyway, ayan, mag-3 na, ay mag-4 na ata. And ayan, 6 PM pa yung flight ko. So yeah, makain na lang muna siguro ako. And ayan, just going to my gate right now and just taking my time. I still have a lot of time to waste. I'm here. Yeah. So, diba? Aga ko. I'm so early. At hindi ko alam gagawin ko dito ngayon. Nagugutom ako actually. Meron akong chocolate sa bag ko. Ayoko nang bumili ng food. Ayoko nang kumain. Kasi mamaya gusto akong kumain ng marami sa Thailand. So, that's it. See you in Thailand or in the plane. Hi, so I've finally arrived here at Don Mueang Airport, and then I'll just go to the immigration and then find some after that. Yay! Finally got the immigration and the search for some now starts. Okay, so wala siya dito sa exit 1. Nasaan kaya siya? Oh. Kailangan ko na ba siyang i-message? I think he's here. Wait, it's not here? This is the meeting point. Or is it not that meeting point? Okay, so I arrived at this meeting point and someone is not here. Who sent me this image? So I don't know why it's not here. Samu, where are you? Where are you, Samu? But he said he's waiting. Where is he? Oh, there's the meeting that you sent me. Where are you? He's coming. Samu is coming. He was at the exit 5. I'm here in exit 7. Okay, I see you now. Yay, there he is! Hey! Okay, so now I'm with Samu and we are here in Bangkok, Thailand. We just got out of Don Mueang Airport and we are heading to Khao San Road where our hotel is. We're gonna eat our dinner in Khao San Road, so yeah. Nasa Khao San Road na kami and hindi pa kami, well, nag-check-in na sa Samu kanina ng morning sa hotel and ayun. So, pero hindi pa kami diretso doon. Kumain muna kami dito sa gilid-gilid. Kasi mas mura sa mga gilid-gilid kasi sa mga restaurants. So, ayan. Ang order ko is pad thai. Chicken pad thai for 50 baht. 50 baht. Tapos, shake, 30 baht. Ayun. Very mura.